Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is another episode of RC Car Week, and look what I have for you today. This is a 1/10 scale racing car, and it's not super expensive, and it is lit up with LED lights everywhere. It looks really cool at night. As a matter of fact, here, check this out. This is me driving it at night in front of my house, up and down the street. It really moves, but I haven't seen it go full blast, so that's why I'm out here today to test this out to see how fast it really goes. So this baby is called the WLTOYS 104072. Yeah, I know that's a weird name for it. It's a 1/10 scale drag racing vehicle. It does come with a remote, and this remote will get you 100 meters distance from this car to control it. It does have a 45 amp ESC, and it does have, I believe it's a 3650 brushless motor in here. It's pretty big, very powerful motor. It does come with a 3000 milliamp hour LiPo battery, and the battery is a 2-cell. I don't know if you can use a 3-cell. You would think the ESC and everything is perfect for a 3S battery because it is quite high and it is brushless, so it should work, but I'm not going to try it out in this review because I'm only testing what you get in the box. It says if you run this thing at full blast using the battery they give you with it, you'll get 10 minutes of runtime. Obviously, you can put a bigger battery if you want and get a lot longer. It's 4-wheel drive. It's metal construction. This is all metal. It's all metal inside as well. Really good. It's got oil-filled shocks. It's got all the stuff you would expect of a high-quality RC car. And it does have metal gears now. You'll hear them clanking as we cruise up and down this road here. So let's go test it out, see how fast I can get it going. Okay, can you see me way back here? I'm going to get closer in a second to drive this. Now, my plan is the following. I'm going to drive it up and down a bit, then I'm going to put a GPS GoPro on it so you can see a speedometer of how fast I'm going. I'll put a real GPS like a Sky RC GPS on it as well to test that out as well, but I'm just going to take it up and down for some runs. There's only one speed on this, so the first test is let's just drive it around here, see what the turning radius is. Oh my god, that's a small turning radius. Look at that. Do these little tiny turns. Okay. That was totally unexpected. Usually on RC cars you have this massive turning radius. I hope that doesn't hamper my high speed. Next, I want to try out the brakes, so I'm just going to bring it around and aim it at my camera here. And brakes. Okay, brakes are kind of there. The headlights do change as you give it throttle. They get brighter. So here we go. You can probably see this looking at the back. If I hit the signal lights, you should see it on one side and the other side. Brake lights work as well when you reverse or put on the brakes. The headlights were changing as I was driving, so if I give it gas, yeah, they go more solid. I know, with the red ring. Pretty cool. Let's take it out for a few quick speed runs, then I'll put the GPS on it. So here we go. Ooh, a little squirrely, a little squirrely. Whoa, that goes. Oh my god. So the plan is, down here I have a Sky RC GPS, and here I have a GoPro with GPS, and if the GoPro works and catches the satellites, it should give me a speedometer and show me how fast it's going in real time, slow to fast. So with both of them, I should get a real image. Well, you're going to be in the video, so I'll have to get you to move back there if you don't mind. Okay, so that's the camera there, so you can't stand anywhere there, thanks. And this is another camera, so you got to watch out for that. I'm just doing speed runs. I'm trying to see how fast I can get it to go without crashing because it's kind of squirrely. I'll take it slow just to start off. A little faster, a little faster. Let's see. Oh, don't go off the road. Put the brakes on. There we go. Full blast. Brakes on, she goes over there. All right, so that we got up to full throttle there, that's for sure. So we should have a good idea of the speed. Let me see what that run was, what it says on the little Sky RC GPS. Sky RC speed says it was 55 kilometers an hour. See if we can beat 55. That was pretty close to the rated speed, so here we go. I'm pretty far away now. And okay, we can come back a long way. So here we go. It's just to keep it straight at that distance, it's hard. Oh, not under the Jeep. Oh, well, the brakes are pretty good on here. Brakes are pretty good. All right, so that should have got us a good speed there. Let's try one more. That's fast. Whoa! Oh, we hit something. Everything just exploded. I can see pieces over there of my GoPro. What else? Oh, the Sky RC flew off too. So there's a Sky RC over there. And here's my GoPro. I go through a lot of GoPros a year. All right, GoPro over here. It's pretty scuffed up as always, but it's still working. Let's check what the Sky RC said. Put that over here. We're gonna go stop and read. Still says we only got up to 55 kilometers an hour. I guess that's the max speed you can get. Any damage to this? No, that looks okay as far as I can tell. And if you're wondering what the heck did I hit, well, I must have came down low and hit this. Poink! So it must have went, because it's got such a low nose, I must have hit here because you can see I've torn some gravel away. So, what's the nose look like? I didn't check it out. That's all good. It is very low to the ground though. Holy cow. Now somebody's gonna ask me, can you drift with this car? Those tires are kind of grippy, but I'll try it. Here we go. I'm gonna turn it and crank it. Well, that's about the best you'll get. Whoa! Yeah, that's about the best you'll get. You could go around a course and spin the tires like that. Whoa! This is a blast of a car. I will say it's a very good car to drive it. It's very durable. You saw the accident. It's still going. No damage to it. If we look through here, we can see the two drivers driving, and you can kind of see through the windshield. So I don't know if the GoPro picks it up as I move it. My plan is if I put a GoPro right about here, it should look through the window as if you're sitting in the back seat and driving. So let's see how that looks. The next thing I'd like to show you is what comes in the box if you get this vehicle, so check this out. This is the box your car comes in, and when I remove the top of the box to look inside, this is what you see. The first thing I notice with this car is not only does it have some weight to it, but the graphics are actually top notch. You'll notice protective crash sliders on the top as well as LED lights. Speaking of LED lights, they are present all over the car, in the front, the top, and on the rear. Removing the top cover, we can have a look inside. The LED lights are controlled by a dedicated light control box. Looking at the interior, you'll notice that all of the important parts are made of metal. The brushless motor is quite large, and the ESC has a nice cooling fan over it. The included battery is a 2-cell 3000 mAh LiPo battery, and you also get a USB battery charger. The included remote control is powered by 4 AA batteries that you will have to provide yourself. Spare parts include a wheel removal tool, body clips, and a micro Phillips screwdriver. All right, final thoughts. My final thoughts on this baby. I'm gonna say this is really good. I'm very surprised. You know, I drive Traxxas and Arma vehicles, and they cost in Canadian dollars over 1,000 Canadian. Those are the RC cars I drive, and they're a blast, and they're very durable. This one, it's really good. Now, obviously, it's not going to stand up to the quality of an Arma of bashing and crashing it over and over and over. But I will say, for what it is, for the price, you get an awful lot. Anyways, with all that said, links are below. Go check it out. If you have questions on this car, post them below. I'll get back to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will catch you in future videos with more cars because it is RC Car Week. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. Bye.